So what's good, TMG fam? It's your boy L, and I'm back with another reaction. How y'all feel? Welcome back to the channel. Salute. Now, this one here is for my animal lovers, bro. You know what I mean? I don't think we've ever checked out one of these videos, but they popped up in my recommendations for a while, and I never stopped and looked at them. I was like, you know what? Let's check this one out, man. And this is animals that ask people for help. Now, you got to be careful. Got to be careful, because I've seen, you know, what is the thing? The cat, I've seen mountain lions caught in like bear traps or different traps, and people walking up trying to help them get out. And it looks like one of the most dangerous missions in the world. And somehow they get them out. But if you don't know what you're doing, man, call the people who do. Let me just put that disclaimer out there real quick, because you may feel like, oh, you ain't got to say that, L. We know that. No, it's some people who just respond and don't think. They just react. You know what I'm saying? So don't be out here wilding thinking you could just go throw the S on your chest and be able to go save someone, because don't forget, they are wild animals. They are still wild animals. They don't know they're in pain. They don't know if you're coming to kill them. So they may soon, you know what I'm saying? You gotta know what you're doing. So I'd rather you call for somebody who does. But we're gonna check this video out. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, join the fam. Real quick, moment of silence for the haters. That's enough. Now run the likes up. Make sure y'all hit that like button and leave a comment. Let's go.
Animals can be so vulnerable. What would you do if you were this person? What if you saw this?
Ooh.
Today we will show you these and other heartwarming stories when animals came to humans for help.
Dang. Gosh, this is rough. First video out the gate, that's what y'all gonna show? A cat stuck, leg stuck like that? Another animal stuck in a tire? Elephant trying to get, like, goodness gracious, y'all hitting me hard out the gate.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This snake was hopelessly stuck in a net. To free it, people needed to be brave. But the snake didn't even consider harming them. And this buffalo calf got trapped in mud, calling for help. Setting it free was a task and a half, because this baby weighs over 200 pounds. To save this elephant, a whole excavator was involved.
That's dope. Now that's dope. But you know what I'm waiting to see? And I think I might have looked. I might be wrong. My memory bad. I might have looked at one of these videos before. But you know what I'm waiting to see? Somebody rescue an alligator with their bare hands. You know what I mean? That's the ultimate test.
And here's a display of the elephant's gratitude. This fox cub got stuck in a wheel, and the vest had to work really hard to help it.
Speak.
Go on, God for that. You draw half.
This dog was injured and therefore couldn't save itself. Thankfully, this person was nearby. These people were releasing 7 young owls, but one of them accidentally fell into a lake. And watch this. The bird makes a great effort to swim back to the humans to be saved.
Come here, baby.
Come on, Molly. There's a all right, sweet man. 2 hours, to be honest.
These people found a bound and hidden turtle and immediately went into rescue mode, bringing it back to life.
No, he's just trying to lift him. Okay. Off you go.
Go on.
Yeah,
Go on.
good job. Oh.
See, I want to be able to help an animal one day. That way, if I'm ever trapped in the ocean, they can recognize me. See how weird my brain thinks? I'm like, yo, maybe if I do that one good deed, one day if I'm out in the ocean and I'm stuck, here comes this whale to swim me back to safety. I know it ain't gonna happen like that. They probably gonna sink me lower, push me down there to Megalodon, and he just gonna come through there and just, you know what I mean, eat me just like a Tic Tac or something. He won't even taste me. But that's how my mind works. And
Raccoons sneaking into people's attics is commonplace in Toronto. But this particular raccoon was unlucky. But he did get rescued in the end.
I'm going back.
Crossing the road must be very difficult when you're a family of ducks.
Oh, get your baby! Get your baby! Oh, help him! Yay! Thank you!
Thank you to this guy and the other drivers who stopped to let them through.
Yo, why was the duck standing there like, you know what I mean? I only said I wanted 3 children, not 4. You know what I mean? So if he don't make it, I'm back to my original plan that I wanted 3. You know what I'm saying? I'm waiting. Come on, you got about 30 seconds before we leave you. The duck was just standing there, just watching. Nah, I'm just kidding, but now it's making me want to watch one of them voiceover videos where they be That'd be super funny if somebody did a voiceover on this.
Your baby! Oh, help him! Yay! Thank you!
Thank you to this guy and the other drivers who stopped to let them through.
Everywhere. I hate slugs. Okay, come on.
After falling into a pool, the flying fox had no other options but to trust a human.
Don't you even think about biting me.
And this person is helping a cat, risking his own hands in the process. The animal was saved and the man also was taken care of. Just imagine how scared this
See, remember that part? I told y'all. You gotta take what come with it. Be careful. That's all. You know what I mean? It's a great deed that you're doing.
bobcat is, after getting stuck in a trap. But the man didn't want to harm it. In fact, he was trying to help. In the end, the animal stops and looks back at him. What might that mean?
Be eating you later is what it means.
And here's another similar case.
Cinch that. All right, you're about to have him.
Hey.
He's all yours, man. Let me get out of the way. He'll stay right there for until you flip him out of that circle.
Every time this guy takes his boat out,
Man, I would have needed an extension, one of those devices he got. I needed to be several more feet back.
a goose he saved many years ago flies by his side, and later she introduces him to her gosling. And this penguin escaped a herd of angry orcas by jumping into a tourist boat.
He like, what y'all doing? What y'all doing? Can I chill with y'all for a minute? Something ain't right down there. I'ma just chill. You know what I mean? What y'all up to? Huh? Y'all got food? Ain't food? I'm just kicking it. Huh? Kicking it. Alright, y'all be cool. It was cool kicking it with y'all. It's done cooled down here. I'm gonna go back. Y'all stay up.
And this homeless dog with a leg injury came to a vet clinic all by itself.
Wow. Tell me animals are not smart, bro. You can't tell me. This dog shows up to... Yo, that's I'm telling y'all.
This homeless dog with a leg injury came to a vet clinic all by itself.
Yo, that's crazy.
This cutie spent a long time trying to get out of a can. Check it out.
Well, look at that. Poor Pogler, that was nasty, wasn't it, eh? Yeah.
It's completely unafraid of the person who rescued it. Pulling a huge elk out of a pit is quite a challenge, but these guys don't give up, trying again and again. You can see clearly that the animal tries really hard to do whatever it takes. And finally,
Come on. Yeah. Come on. Come on, bud. He's going, run. There you go, buddy.
due to an electric shock, this monkey lost consciousness and fell onto the train tracks. And watch what happens. For over 20 minutes, another monkey fought to bring it back to life. And it succeeded. Back in the day,
Is my eyes deceiving me? Did I just not witness a monkey just revive another monkey? Yo! I mean, it ain't the normal method that we would typically see somebody revive somebody, but hey, however you get the job done, it's how you get the job done. So, that's remarkable.
He's going, run! There you go, buddy.
I gotta see that again.
due to an electric shock,
Right there, it looked like he kind of tried to listen to his heartbeat.
He's going, run! There you go, buddy.
Due to an electric shock, this monkey lost consciousness and fell onto the train tracks. And watch what happens. For over 20 minutes, another monkey fought to bring it back to life. And it succeeded. Back in the day, that's what the life of Hoover the tiger looked like. Needless to say, he was unhappy. But now his life looks very different. And it's all thanks to the kind people that saved him from a Peruvian circus and brought him to a rescue center in Florida. And this wolf was very aggressive, but as soon as the predator realizes it's not at risk, it just runs away. This baby deer lost its mom, and watch what it does when it sees a human.
Oh, hang on. Oh, I'm not your mom. Oh, you're hungry.
Unfortunately, they couldn't find its parent, but these people took the Bambi home and gave it a second chance at life. An excavator operator did a great job to free this little kangaroo. For a whole year, a deer visited this elderly woman who fed him bread. And here is a heartwarming rescue of a joey during brush fires in Australia. Someone tied this dog to a tree, leaving it without water or food. It is unknown how many days it spent in this situation before people heard its cries for help.
They're tied to a tree and it was a small. And I was thinking, why did...
Let me just go ahead and say this right now. I can't really say what I want to say, but anybody out here leaving a dog tied to a tree without water or food, just tying it to the tree alone, you wrong. And that karma that you gonna get from that, the karma that's coming to you for that, bro, I hope it finds you. That's all I'm gonna say. I hope it finds you. And I hope you end up somewhere the same way as that dog. That's cold, fam. That's cold. Dogs are some of the most loyal.
She looked through it.
This giraffe got into trouble, but fortunately it ended well.
He's alive. He's alive. He's going. We just saved him. Yes.
And here's another story with a happy ending. A rescue of a buffalo stuck in a swamp. Falling on your back is a big problem. How could someone resist to help? And this white shark accidentally beached itself after chasing seagulls near the shore. Thankfully, humans didn't leave it in trouble.
See, even sharks. And I say even sharks, because, bro, that shark, it ain't got no love for nothing. You know what I'm saying? Sharks is just some of the most just evil creatures. Even sharks, man, they need help too. Will it return the favor one day? I'm pretty sure not. They see you in the water, it's gonna be like, yo, I remember you, gotta eat you, but yo, I remember you. I'll make it painless. I'll do it quick.
A parrot called Blondie lost all of its feathers due to a rare condition, but to its owner, it is the most beautiful and the most lovable parrot. and this person rescued weasel babies after their mom got scared of a vehicle and ran away.
I don't even know what that is, but I feel bad. I feel my heart goes out. I don't even know what that is though. Oh, I know what a bite looks like. He just tried to bite though.
People noticed a bear that climbed atop of a utility pole. They tried to rescue the animal, but the bear was lucky enough to come down on its own.
The bear survives the shock and the fall.
The native beak.
I thought he got shocked. I thought I seen a few thousand volts go through his body and shook him up a little bit.
People noticed a bear that climbed atop of a utility pole. They tried to rescue the animal,
Right there.
but the bear was lucky enough to come down on its own.
The bear survives the shock and the fall.
The native beak of this crow, called Don, was seriously damaged due to an injury. He got a second chance when people made him a new acrylic beak. This poor thing's wing was stuck in a blackberry bush, which caused it to almost drown. People took the owl to a sanctuary, and after a week and a half of rehabilitation, the bird is as good as new. And this hippo was completely unafraid to open his mouth to let the human brush his teeth. It looks like he might even like it. The most predatory animals appreciate kindness too, even if it's a venomous snake.
Oh no.
And here, people
Alright, I done hit my limit on that one. That one there, not a venomous snake, bro.
are delivering cows from the mountain ridges to the comfortable alpine meadows. Photographer Martin LeMay captured some images of an unusual animal friendship where a weasel was riding on the back of a woodpecker. Just look at the way this baby squirrel eats a banana. Did you enjoy this video?
No, because I'm still tripping over the snake. Overall, though, yes. I enjoyed the video, but the snake, venomous snake? No. Not that serpent. Not gonna get, no. And it looked like he was just laying in the man's hand playing possum. Like, yeah, I'm gonna bite you later. I'm gonna drink this water because I need it. As soon as I get my strength up, I'm gonna bite you. Exactly. Then I'm gonna lay beside you, and I'm gonna size you up, see how much I need to be able to relax my jaws to open up to eat you, and then I'm gonna slowly devour you. That's what I thought of in my mind. Can't trust a snake. In real life, and people, and in animals. That's all I'm gonna say. But other than that, man, great video. Lets you know, humanity is restored and some of this stuff like that, man. And people are out here, risking their lives for these animals, man. So gotta love that. Gotta love that. Sometimes we gotta watch these type of videos to remind us that, humanity is restored. So y'all get at me in the comment section. Let me know what y'all thought of this video, man. And stick around and stay tuned to the next reaction. I'm gone. Peace.